Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. Today we are diving into a very useful tool offered by Google, creating a Google Form. If you need to collect information, opinions or organize an event, Google Forms is an excellent choice. Okay, now begin by opening your web browser and search Google Form. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Now click on the plus button to create a new form. You will be presented with options to choose from a template, a blank form. In the new prompt, give it a title and add a brief description to help your respondents understand the purpose of the form. Click on Untitled Question to add your past question. Choose the question type and input your question and options. Add more questions like on the plus button and repeat the process. You can choose from multiple choice, short answer, check boxes and more. Personalize your prompt by clicking on the color palette icon to change the theme and appearance of your prompt. Click on the settings. Here you can set preference like limiting responses, collecting email addresses and sending notifications. So that's it. Stay tuned for more informative tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.